Hey guys, happy Wednesday. I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of what CommonLit looks like whenever you go do your assignment today. Your assignment is due tomorrow, Thursday. Technically, we don't have school Friday, so I will actually be posting day 3 tomorrow. So for CommonLit, under week 1, you should have already signed up. So under week 1, day 1, you should have gone here to sign up for 2 platforms, No Red Ink and CommonLit. Your CommonLit is here, and each class period has its own code. Okay, each class period has its own code, so please do not copy this, of course, unless you're in period 1. So under week 2, April 6th through 10, today is day 2. So you will open the folder to look at your tasks. Your tasks today are to watch this video tutorial, so congrats, you are done with number 1 if you're watching this. Number 2, you're going to read a piece of text called Abuelito Who, and then the third one, you're going to answer the questions and a short response that go with it. So whenever you click, I have put the link here on the day 2 tasks. Whenever you click it, it should open in a new window and it should make you log in, okay? So you should have your username that was created on your behalf per CommonLit. Yes, I am using Mr. Decker's name as a student. So I will submit, and with the link from Schoology, it takes you straight to where you need to go, your assignment. So please make sure that you read this piece. It's like the introduction to before reading the assignment. And then press Got It after you read. When you read, I have enabled guiding questions to make sure that you understand what's happening as you're reading. So the guiding questions are there to help you. There are 3 guiding questions, 1, 2, and 3. When you finish the guiding questions, right here on this side, the assessment questions will pop up. You have 3 assessment questions and a 4th short answer response. Today's tasks should take you maybe 30 minutes at the very, very most. And then tomorrow I will post day 3. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Have fun.